animation, you need to first add a shape of a man, then deselect the color, enable the stroke, turn its color to red, then a little decrease it, then add glow itself, change its color to red, decrease the hardness, decrease the alpha, and decrease the radius. And now you need to add a edge glow effect. Increase the z-axis value and adjust its position. Add a shape, make it a triangle, close the shape, and then now add a curve, adjust it, enable its stroke and increase it. Now add a gradient which is black and a light yellow, and now add the shape to make it looks 3D. Close the shape and now add another point. Now change its color to a deep yellow. And finally add a stroke. And now we need to add lighting. To add lighting, we need to add a shape. So start adding points. Now make it behind the shape 2 and now adjust its points a little bit. Looks good. Add gradient. A soft light yellow. Add wipe, decrease the end value and make the angle 90 degree, increase the feather, and now add a soft glow effect. Increase its diffuse 0.65 and now make outer blue 100%. Blending will be 0%. Increase a little contrast. Now it looks so great. Duplicate it and now unhide the person shape and add a mask. First mask and the shape will be like decrease its opacity to 28%. Now connect it to shape 2 with the spotlight. And now we have to readjust its pivot point so we can easily manipulate its position. Like this. Here you can see we just created a spotlight effect and now we can play with it easily. To play with it, we need to first add a null and now connect the person shape to null 1 and then add a keyframe. Now change its stroke color to pure green and also its glow effect color to neon green. Now it looks great and now we need to add other persons. Now the environment is ready and we just need to add some more animation so it can look more perfect. Now first of all we will add a flicker effect. We need to add a shape here make it full composition area, and now we need to go to this frame, select its color to black, and add a keyframe here. Now paste the curve. So you have the animation, but it not look so real. To make it look real, we just need to add some more animations. Go to rotation and now make it 0, and now add a graph of a bouncy effect. And just a keyframe as per requirement. Nice. This looks more smooth. And now we just need to export it. Okay, never forget to add sound effects.